Aaliyah Kiana, she the boss, she be doing her thing. Whipping sauce, natural and she lit. Follow me, she unlocking her dreams, she got the key. Got the faith to believe, ain't no stopping me. Got the faith to believe, ain't no stopping me. Got the faith to believe, ain't no stopping me. Ain't no stopping me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Aaliyah Kiana. I'm so excited because today I'm trying a new product. Well, it's not really new. It's been out, but I'm trying a product on my hair for the first time. It's the Aztec healing clay. I've used it on my face and it works really well. Like, it makes my face feel clean. It went deep inside my pores. It had that tingly hard feeling. I really liked it. Like, it made my face feel rejuvenated. But yeah, so this is my first time though putting on my natural hair. You can use it as a good mask. I'm just gonna keep it on for 10 minutes because I'm in a rush right now. It's 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. So that's the only ingredient that it has. So I'm not scared to use it. It leaves your hair feeling like really clean. Something close to like a clarifying type of mask. So I'm excited. I have this towel on my hair because I just washed my hair. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm working with. I already put my hair into 4 parts. Let's make the mask because you kind of have to DIY it. I'm not really going to like measure anything because I don't have time for that. But it says equal parts. So I'm just gonna put enough for my hair because as you can see, I have a lot of hair. Like, yeah, see? Oh! I don't know how much to put, to be honest. Oh, I think that's too much. I think it's too much. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna shake this up and then I'm gonna pour it. Oh, I gotta hurry. I'm in a rush, but I just want to try this. It says equal parts. Ooh, it's sizzling. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's bubbling. So I'm gonna take this right now and just start mixing. I want to make sure that I'm mixing it into a nice paste. I don't want nothing too crazy. Or look at this. It's not supposed to look like that. It has to be like a paste form. I don't know how much to pour. I'm just pouring. It probably would be smarter to like measure your stuff, but oh! I spilled it. Oh my gosh. Alright, after 10 hours of mixing to find the right consistency, I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna turn down the lighting. Hold on. Okay, there we go. The lighting was too bright. Alright, look at that. This is good. This is good. You see that? Perfecto. Alright, I'm gonna start here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take this and put it on my, cause I got bumps right here, acne bumps, I guess. So I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna need it there. Oh my goodness, this feels weird, guys. Oh, it feels. Oh hell no! Oh heck! Oh, I'm nervous. That feels weird. I don't really want to like manipulate it too much. Okay guys, so I am done with these sections. My hair is getting harder by the minute. Look at this. And it's getting drier. Oh yeah, it's hard on the roots. So I'm gonna wait like 10 minutes because again I'm in a rush. Guys, do not do this when you're rushing because you really want to take your time. I was taking my time, but you know, still I probably could have split it into more tiny parts to really get each strand, but it's okay. It's fully covered still. I feel luxurious though. I feel good. Look at how much hair I got, guys. And this is shrinkage still. My hair is definitely longer. This is the back. Okay. Look. I used all of it. Like, literally like all of it. So right now it is 1:06 p.m. in the afternoon. And I'm gonna wait 10 minutes because that's when I'm gonna rinse it out and we'll see how this works. I don't like how it feels right now. It feels stiff and dry, but I know that's just the process before you get to the beautiful ending. So I'll be back. Ugh. Wow. Woo! I got on my bed. Alright guys, I'm back. And I'm better. And look at it. I see some texture. My hair look good. My hair look. Ooh, yes, Leah. Let me come up closer. It's definitely defined, guys. You can see more of my texture instead of it looking dry and like whatever. It feels healthier. It feels good. I believe I rinsed everything. Look at this. Messy, but I really like it. Alright, this is what it feel like. Hold on, let me try to explain it. Alright, the way your hair feels with the moisturizing clarifying shampoo, like say Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil clarifying shampoo, like that's the feel I get. But it doesn't feel extremely dry, but it can be more moisturized, if you get what I'm saying. So what I would do is I would actually apply a moisturizing deep conditioner after this, but because I'm on a short time frame right now, I'm gonna just spritz my hair with some moisturizing leave-in spray and go out like this. Maybe I'll film when I come back me reconditioning my hair with moisturizing deep conditioner and then show you the results afterwards. I might not. I'm definitely going to be doing this again. I definitely recommend this Aztec clay. Okay. If you guys enjoyed this video and if you are going to actually try this Aztec clay, if you never tried it, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. And the bumps, by the way, I don't know if it did, but no, I think it did. I'm looking in the mirror, guys. I think it did, but I don't know. I think it brought my bumps down some, so that's a good thing. But until next time, I'll see you in my next video. It's gonna be a good one, so stay tuned. Follow my social media if you would like down below, and it's gonna be at the end of this video. And yeah, please subscribe if you really enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from me, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.